How to use flowcharts for problem solving. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a complex problem and wished for a clear path to follow? Flowcharts can be your guiding light. They are visual tools that help you map out the steps needed to solve a problem. By using flowcharts, you can enhance your study focus and concentration, making your learning process more effective. To start using flowcharts for problem solving, first, clearly state the problem you want to tackle. This step is essential as it keeps you focused and ensures that every part of your flowchart is relevant to the issue at hand. Next, identify the information or resources you need and the outcome you desire. Now break the problem down into main steps. List each action or decision that must occur. In a flowchart, rectangles representing steps, while diamonds indicate decisions. For example, if you are troubleshooting why your computer will not turn on, your flowchart might begin with check if the power cord is plugged in. If the answer is yes, you move to the next step. If no, you plug it in and try again. Incorporate decision points where the process could branch based on different answers. For instance, after checking the power cord, you might ask, does the computer turn on? If yes, the process ends. If no, you could move to another step like check the power outlet. This branching allows you to visualize all possible paths and outcomes. Label each step and decision with short, clear descriptions. This practice keeps your flowchart easy to follow and helps you remember what each part means. Use arrows to connect everything logically, showing how one action leads to another. Flowcharts are particularly helpful for active recall techniques in studying. When you create a flowchart for a topic, you are required to recall and organize information, which strengthens your memory. For example, if you are learning a scientific process, drawing a flowchart helps you see how each step connects and what happens if something changes. You can also use flowcharts to visualize your study routines, break down complex topics, or plan how to approach challenging assignments. By seeing the entire process at once, you can identify where you might struggle or need more practice. Additionally, flowcharts can help troubleshoot issues in your study habits, such as figuring out why you lose concentration or how to manage your time better. Using flowcharts allows you to see both the big picture and the details simultaneously. They make problem solving and studying more organized and less overwhelming. By mapping out your thoughts, you can concentrate better, remember more, and tackle problems step by step. This means more effective study sessions and improved results for students.